As the banking landscape in Africa undergoes significant transformation, the role of financial institutions in fostering economic growth and sustainability is more crucial than ever. In this edition of Decryptage, Muyiwa Akinyemi, Deputy Managing Director of the United Bank for Africa, discusses UBA's strategic priorities for expanding its influence in Nigeria and across the continent, emphasizing initiatives aimed at supporting small businesses and enhancing sustainability, particularly in the energy sector. Mr. Muyiwa Akinyemi, welcome to Africa 24 English. You are the Deputy Director of United Bank of Africa. What are your main strategic priorities for UBA in the rest of Nigeria and in Africa, and how do you plan to achieve them?
Our primary strategy is about customer experience, how we can improve lives and how we can impact lives of Africans. Everything that we do looks towards Africa. Our offices across the 4 continents, 24 countries, looks after uplifting African lives and businesses.
In what ways does UBA actively contribute to sustainability and economic development across Africa, particularly within the energy sector?
As you may be aware, UBA is one of the partners to AFCFTA. We're actively driving that across all our common locations because we believe that trade connects businesses and we believe will have a positive impact in the economic development of African states. So not only are we a partner to AFCFTA, we've also launched a scheme to commit to providing $6 billion over the next 3 years to support SMEs and other businesses under the AFCFTA team. And this particularly is to look at import substitution and how to enhance the trade across geographies. And looking at 4 sectors, we have the pharmaceutical sector, agro-allied businesses, because we did a lot of studies across transportation and logistics as well. We did a lot of studies around this with AFCFTA Secretariat and found out that those sectors are sectors that do a lot of import. So if we're able to substitute by capacitizing players or operatives in that sector, that will help grow the economy in Africa.
In March 2024, the African Guarantee Fund and United Bank of Africa signed a partnership to ensure that UBA provides $100 million in new loans to small and medium enterprises and business owners across the 20 African countries where the bank has presence in Africa. What specific strategies were put in place to ensure that women-led SMEs benefit from the financing initiative, given that women are considered as the backbone of the African economy?
What we did, thank you for that question again, and that's women entrepreneurship is very dear to us in UBA. We know that, like the African adage says, like, women are nurturers, and if you want to grow a community, focus on the women. So we are focusing on that gender to help us build our communities across Africa. And what we've done with AGF is to actually sign a guarantee with them to guarantee us to extend up to $100 million to women-owned enterprises across Africa. That's kicked off well, and the various businesses they do cuts across, all right? And we do know that women are better savers, they are better entrepreneurs, and they can nurture businesses to grow. So it's in line with our SME growth activities that we're doing across Africa. We've done quite well across all the countries where we operate with women-owned businesses and women-led businesses as well.
UBA was Nigeria's 3rd largest bank by profit at the end of 2023. What key strategies or initiatives do you believe contributed most to this success? Additionally, how do you see these strategies evolving to maintain UBA's competitive edge in the future?
First and most important and priority is the experience of our customers, because we believe that the pathway to our profitability is through the experience of our customers. We serve our customers well, they will do repeat businesses with us, they will refer businesses to us. So that customer first and the experience is our main theme and our strategy. Beyond that is also coming up with convenience, ease of use of our banking solutions and services. So we launched a lot of digital solutions and products that cuts across the 24/7 activities that we see. So we're seeing a lot more of patronage, a lot more of transaction activities, as services going through channels as well. So that's also complemented our C-first focus and strategy as well.
Given the dynamic nature of the banking sector, what do you identify as the most pressing threats facing banks today, such as cybersecurity, risk, or economic volatility? How is UBA proactively preparing to mitigate this risk while ensuring stability and trust among its customers?
Good that you mentioned it. In our business, cybercrime and fraud is high. But what we've been able to do is to proactively set up firewalls and guards and safeguards within our system to prevent such activities. Because as you know, financial services, it's a very delicate business, as it were. So what we've done in that area is to invest a lot into our security operations, our InfoSec activities that prevents those hackers and those people who try to get into our system to take advantage of whatever vulnerabilities there may be within our system on a constant basis, right? We're doing that. Now, one other thing we've also done is to also lead advocacy in this area and innovation in that area as well, to be able to get various agencies to help stem such activities and set regulations as well in our various geographies and markets that guards how we operate and what should be allowed and what should not be allowed to prevent such things happening.
Mr. Muyiwa Akinyemi, thank you for answering Africa 24's English questions. Ladies and gents, please stay tuned to our programs.